Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to get only the numbers or string using a JavaScript. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the output of our application, how to get only numbers or strings from data using JavaScript. Now here I am adding some text. Numbers, text, numbers, text, numbers. So if you notice here in this text box contains numeric values and some text values also there. But now I want to get only numbers. So when I say get only numbers, see here we got only numbers from this text box controls. If I want to get only string, here we got string only. Get numbers from these numbers, here we got numbers. String, we got string.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code, which is VS Code. Go to File, New Text File. Now I am selecting the language is HTML. Now after convert the text file into HTML format, go to File. Let's save this file first. I am saving this file on the desktop JavaScript folder. Get strings or numbers, and the extension is type is HTML. Save this file. After that, I am adding basic HTML elements. Inside this HTML element, I am adding the header element. After that, I am adding the body element. Now inside this body element, I am adding one center element. Let's add the header file. How to get only numeric numbers or strings from data h2 using JavaScript. After that, I am adding one horizontal line. Now after the horizontal line, I am adding one input type is equals to text. It's a text box. Let's close the input element. After that, I'm adding two more input type. Input type is equals to radio, and ID is equals to rad1. Radio 1. This is the numbers. Display get only numbers. Let's close the input element. Let's copy this one and paste here. I require the second radio button also, which is there to get only strings or text or strings. Then I am adding one horizontal line. After the horizontal line, I am adding one div element. Now, if you notice here, I have added only two radio buttons. So we need to first group them. Name is equals to, I am adding rad. So same property, the name is equals to rad. I am adding to the radio button 2. So these two buttons is in a group now. Now before adding the JavaScript to get whatever the values entered in the text box to get only numbers or strings, let's check save this file first. We'll check the output. Go to run, start debugging, and selecting web app Chrome. And here we got the output of our application, how to get only numbers or strings from data. Now my aim is, if a user enter any text and numbers like that, if a user select get only text or string, I want to get only the string values, not the numeric values. If a user select get only numbers, I want to get only numbers from this inbox. Whatever the values we enter here, only numbers I want to display. For that, I am using JavaScript. So let's write the coding part. Stop debugging. Go to script here, and the type is equals to text / JavaScript. Let's close the script tag. function. First function is num. Here I am adding id is equals to result div id. I am accessing this result here. Now here in the num function, I want to get the output in this div, so I am accessing this id dot inner html is equals to the output will get based on the what are the values we enter in the input text box. So let's add the id is equals to text1. This is the text1 I am accessing here dot value dot match function. In this match function I am adding /d regular expression I am adding, again /g for globally, whereas d represents to check the matching the numeric values. D represents the numeric values. Again I am adding first what I will do is we'll add this function name on click event. I am adding that function. Again let's save this file, copy this file and paste here for strings. For string values, the same thing here, instead of d here I am adding, now here instead of d / between square brackets I am adding a to z plus g I is what? Small I here. I checks the case sensitive. When I add g, I globally in case sensitive, insensitive. So let's save this file. We need to add the string values also. String values on click is equals to string values. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now let's check the final output of our application. Save. I am running this application, start debugging. And here we got the output of our application, how to get only numbers or strings from data using JavaScript. Now here I am adding some text, numbers. So if you notice here in this text box contains numeric values and some text values also there. But now I want to get only numbers. So when I say get only numbers, see here we got only numbers from this text box controls. If I want to get only string, here we got string only. Get numbers from these numbers, here we got numbers. String, we got string. Now let's check again. 2143. See, we got only the numbers from this text box. If I want to get only strings or text, here SDF. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to get or extract only numbers or string values from a text box control using a JavaScript. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.